Your learners will have great fun whilst using this Act+Fast anti-choking trainer vest. The vest can be worn by another learner or a CPR mannequin. The aim is to perform the correct technique to remove the blockage from the airway. There is a large pad on the back for shielding back blows.
Choking, forward, and in the centre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hand down the front here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's take a look at what the content of the package includes. All the contents is found in this handy carry bag. There is an instruction manual, it includes 30 projectiles. The orange projectiles are for beginner users and the yellows are for advanced. The vest, and an airway.